Did you wake up with a sore neck this morning? Check out this video to get that crick out of your neck. I'm Colton, I'm from Preferred Physical Therapy, where we help those 40 and above stay active and independent, live free from painkillers, and avoid surgery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stabilize and mobilize the neck to help reduce pain after waking up with a sore neck. So what we need here is just a little bit of wall space, no pictures, anything like that. I'm going to have you bring one arm up overhead as high as you can. If it does come out to the side, that is completely fine. From there, I want you to push into the wall on that one side, and then the other arm is also going to push down into the wall, but down below. Now from there, I want you to turn your head to the side that is down and still pushing into the wall. From there, I want you to hold 5 seconds. Once you have that 5 seconds, I'll have you rotate your head back to neutral while still holding your arms up if you can. If you need to bring them down, that is completely fine. From there, I will have you do that 10 times to each side. Now, I do not want you to rotate towards the side that the arm is up. If your arm can't go up all the way above head, it is okay to come out to the side like the YMCA. That is completely fine as long as we're able to push against that wall. It shouldn't matter which side the pain is on, whether it's the right side or the left side of the neck. Do both sides, see how it feels to help mobilize both sides of the neck. Give this exercise a try and comment down below if this helped. Hope to hear from you. Did you wake up with a sore neck? Oh, sorry. Oh, yike. My bad. You got a little excited. A little excited there. I hope this helps.